At kasama na natin live sa ating studio ang founder ng Sula Spirits, Mr. Vernon Carandang. Good morning po at welcome po sa Pro Pinoy.
Good morning, Vernon.
Good morning, good morning.
First, bakit Sula
Sula.
ang pangalan?
Hello. So, Sula, it means a jewel or an item that shines. In Tagalog. So, in Tagalog, we wanted that name kasi we believe that Filipino products, can shine not just here in the Philippines, but worldwide.
I like that attitude.
Thank you.
I like that attitude. That
Shine.
Filipino products can be the best
Yeah.
if we really want it. At wala namang ibang coconut liqueur kung hindi Pilipinas
Sa
lang.
Pilipinas.
We call it lambanag.
Lambanog. Pero hindi siya lambanog, right?
No, it's a different
not.
kind, yeah.
So tell us about the product.
So, our main product is the coconut liqueur. So, the coconut liqueur, the way we do it is, in-extract namin yung gata or yung mismong
Milk.
the coconut milk, and then we infuse it with sugarcane alcohol. So, it's molasses. So, that actually kind of like, it elongates the shelf life of the gata. And that becomes the liquor itself.
That's right. Okay. How many percent alcohol ba yung ating ano?
So the coconut is 19% alcohol. We also have
90% alcohol?
19.
19, okay.
19% alcohol. But for the chocolate, our chocolate is from Davao. It's 26%, and our coffee is actually 36% alcohol.
36. Ba't hindi mo kinonstant yung alcohol? Like for example, nilagay mo sa normally pag liqueur nasa 17.5,
70.
di ba? Pag liqueur yan. Ba't hindi mo ilagay na lang doon sa 17.5? Pareho sila.
Well, we actually kind of did an R&D. So initially, it became like 15, and then 17, and then 19. 19 kasi when you water down, when you put ice, nawawala yung alcohol niya. So it becomes like a juice. So, because our liqueurs, it should be consumed over ice. So
okay.
and the coconut itself is sweet. So we don't want it to be sweet. So with a balanced taste, it's around 19%.
May yellow.
Kasi pag nakikita ka ang produkto, yung sula, pag sinabing sula kaagad, whatever is the flavor ng ginagamit yung sa liqueur, dapat constant yung alcohol.
Yeah.
Di ba? Kung tingin mo nasa 19% na water down yan, then taasan mo.
Yeah.
Gagawin mo 30%. Constant siya. Para nang sa ganon ay alam ng manginginom na talagang 30% yung alcohol yan. Di ba? And normally pag liqueur, mayroong may caramel yan na hinahalo eh. Yung caramel, pwedeng gumamit ka ng sugar, pwedeng gumamit ka ng cocoa sugar, pwedeng gumamit ka ng muscovado. So, para nang sa ganun ay medyo manamis-tamis ng konti, di ba? May isang gumagawa rito yung ubi, yung ubi, liqueur, si Agimat. Ubi liqueur niya masyadong matamis na pag ininom mo, akala mo ice cream ang iniinom mo.
Ube ice
Kaya
cream.
lang, hindi mo alam, lasing ka na pala. So, okay, these are the 3 flavors that you have.
Yes, this
Coffee,
coffee,
chocolate,
chocolate, and then coconut.
And coconut.
Are you not thinking of other flavors? Like, Philippines is noted as having the best mango.
Actually, we're doing another line. So, but it's more of citrus and fruit-based naman.
Citrus and pro. So, like yun na nga, yung mango.
We can do calamansi.
Yung isa, guyabano.
Yes.
Yung isa, calamansi.
Calamansi.
Di ba? And then, ano pa ba?
Dalandan could also.
Yeah, dalandan. So, basically, ganon. Mango. You have to buy from, yung mga mango puree, pwede mo naman bilhin na eh. And then, yung dalandan, calamansi, at saka guyabano.
We've already done the R&D.
Di ba?
So we already have...
Kasi yan, mga indigenous Filipino fruits yan eh.
dito,
Diba?
Pilipinas lang. So, kailan po nag-start ang Sula?
So we actually launched last September.
Ah, bago lang.
It's very new, so we're not yet 1 year in the market.
Maganda yung packaging nyo. I'll be honest with you. Maganda yung packaging nyo. So, yung glass, is that a glass or a ceramic?
That's actually a glass.
A glass.
And then it's ombre painted. So there's actually a story behind our bottle. So our bottle is called Pearl of the Orient Seas.
Tell us
Pearl
about
of
the
the
story.
So I'll just grab the one.
Yeah.
So this is called Pearl of the Orient Seas. So the bottle, it's actually this is a representation of the pearl.
Okay.
So we didn't do a pearl finish because we wanted a natural wood finish, so it's more local. And then these are actually waves, which represents the archipelago, which is the Philippines. And then we also have the map of the Philippines at the side,
Also,
etched here.
Talagang pinagawa nyo yan.
So this
bote
is
na yan.
custom made.
Custom made. So, yung bote lang, magkano?
Bote pa lang.
Bote pa lang. It's around, I think, 200 or
200
250.
pesos. If you order in volume, bababa ang presyo niyan. Siguro
Yeah.
sa 200, mga 10,000 lang in-order mo niyan, ano?
Yeah.
But if you try to order, let's say, one container, that's around, siguro mga 60,000 pieces ang one container niyan.
Magkano na lang?
Bababa yan, siguro mga 100 pesos na lang.
Yeah.
Kasi ang mahal kasi niyan, yung mold.
Yeah, we had to
So
pay a lot
they
for
have
the
to pay the
mold.
mold. Ilang cavity ba yung mold na in-order niyo?
I'm not familiar with the cavity, but in terms of the mold, they have to do it 3 times kasi it broke the machine kasi the bottle is so tall and very intricate that it hindi siya kaya ng machine. We need it half handmade, half human made yung bottle na.
Sino po nag-design ng
Our team together with us founders. So yeah.
Napakaganda. Actually, yung packaging mo,
Yayamanin?
napakaganda. Yung bote na yan. I think you have to improve on the box.
Yes.
Because the box does not justify the bottle. The bottle deserves a better box.
We'll definitely improve on that.
Diba? Siguro, ang gawin mo na lang bilog na made out of tin cans.
Yeah, actually, we were considering that, but then the shipping, kasi if we do export,
It's
it's
okay
a little
because
bit
you can command a
spacious.
good price for that. Right now, magkano ang benta mo niyan?
It's around 1,800.
1,800.
Lahat po. The coffee, the chocolate,
yes,
and
it's
the
the same.
1,000.
Pareho.
Para
Ilang ml yan?
750 ml.
750. Very reasonable yan.
Yeah.
Very reasonable. But if you order more, maybe you can save around 50 pesos on the bottle. And then yung 50 pesos, maybe even less. Pwede kang gumawa ng tin can cylinder or yung carton cylinder. Kaya lang i-wrap mo yan ng silver. Let's say you want it green silver, red silver, then it justifies the bottle.
Yeah.
Please, palitan mo yung box.
Definitely.
Kasi,
We'll send you a new one.
Kasi I'll show you mamaya, I have a sample
Sample.
ng bilog.
At least mabe-visualize mo.
Then when you say 1,800, baka mura na yan. Baka i-recommend ko sa'yo 2,500.
Oh!
No, honestly.
Actually, people think we're 5,000 or around that price. But we wanted it to be more affordable so more people can appreciate it.
At 1,008,
But
hindi na yan affordable. So, taasan mo na lang.
sige.
Taasan mo na lang because it's a niche market. Alam mo, if you go to yung mga bar, no? Meron silang ino-offer na I think tequila na nasa sa ceramic glass, ceramic bottle. Ang presyo nila is 25,000 pa nga.
Yeah.
25,000. So, mas maganda pa yan eh. So, you can price it at 5,000 or even at 6,000. It wouldn't make any difference because yung bibili ng 1,008, pag sikat na yung produkto, kahit 6,000 yan bibilin.
Kahit magkano yan bibilin. Di ba po nag-participate tayo sa National Food Fair?
Yes, we were there.
Yun po ba yung sinasabi niyong ang mga reaction ng tao is parang nasa 5,000 siya?
Yes.
Doon.
Oo. Kaya they get intimidated sometimes.
Hindi siya lumalapit.
So hindi sila lumalapit. So we do free tasting, we explain to them.
Well, because that was the wrong market.
Yeah.
Yung trade fair is the wrong market. Hindi yan pang trade fair eh.
Actually.
Pag international trade fair yan. So next time, when there's an international trade fair,
Participate.
let's say in Taiwan or in the US, i-participate mo yan. Pag nagkakaroon ka kasi ng Golden Award, yun, sisikat ka na.
Nakikilala na.
Dahil, uy, may Gold Award ito.
May award po ba?
makikilala.
Yeah, we actually got platinum awards for the 3 SKUs from LA. So it's SIP Awards. So the chocolate is platinum best in class awarded. So it's
So,
best in its category.
Yung chocolate mo, saan mo binibili? Is it the chocolate powder binibili mo?
Yes, in Davao. We have a supplier in Davao that we get the chocolate.
Alam mo, ang Davao ngayon, bumibili na ng chocolate, ng beans, cacao beans dito sa Luzon.
May kinukuhanan.
Dito na sila kumukuha. And mamaya I will recommend to you yung dito sa Luzon. Kasi there are so many varieties ng chocolate. Ang piliin mo yung Criolli na chocolate. So you can always put there para magkakaroon ng premium yan. Malinamnam yung Criolli chocolate. That's the original chocolate before nagkakaroon na ng hybrid. So karamihan dito sa Pilipinas, hybrid. Ngayon, si Cacao Gallion, si Isagani, who was trained in France, ay talaga naghanap siya ng Criolli originally from South America yan na dinala rito ng mga Spaniards during the Acapulco trade. So dinala rito. And then tinanim natin yan. Ito yung mga original. Now, according to him, in Batangas and Laguna, may nakita siyang 10 Criolli na variety. So, pinapropagate niya, I think, has around 10,000 seedlings na.
Pwede.
So, I'll introduce you to Isagani. Para nang sa ganon, may ilalagay mo doon sa label, chocolate, Criolli chocolate. The Japanese, they look for that. In fact, yung kaibigan ko, si Orly Ipon, yung painter na kinwento ko, meron siyang 2 hectares na tinaniman ng hapon. According to the Japanese, pina-DNA nila, and it's around 98% daw yung purity.
Wow.
Kaya hindi nagpapatanim ng ibang variety sa tabi. Puro Criolli lang. Para nang sa gano'n na hindi makontaminate.
Yeah.
So,
Pure Criolli.
at least, para magpresyo tayo ng mga 6,000 per bottle, Criolli chocolate ang gamitin natin.
Ayan. Ko-connect ka ni Kong mamaya kay Sir Gani.
Kay Isagani.
And then yung award po ng coffee?
It's also platinum. And then sa UK, we were awarded ng World Drinks Award as gold for the chocolate. And it's also best also in the Philippines, the chocolate one.
Okay, yung coffee naman, did you blend the coffee? Kasi may Robusta, may Arabica, may
Yes, we did
Liberica. So you blended it?
Yes, we blended.
So, ang magandang blend kasi is Robusta at saka Liberica. Pag lalagyan mo yan ng Arabica, mahal ang Arabica, 900 pesos a kilo. Di ba? So, bago mo ilagay dyan, ginagrind mo yung coffee beans na roasted na. So, anong roast mo? Medium roast or dark roast?
Medium roast.
Pag medium roast kasi malalasahan mo yung notes. Whether it's fruity, nutty, or woody. Di ba?
Mas okay yung flavor. Depth of flavor.
Nandun yung flavor pag medium. Kaya lang medyo acidic yun.
Yeah.
Sa bagay, ang alcohol acidic na eh. So what's the difference, di ba? But at least malalasahan mo yung So saan ka bumibili ng coffee beans?
So we have different sources. We have in Benguet. We also have in Batangas. And we also have in Quezon Province.
Alam mo, the best coffee na-garnered ng award sa France. No, there's a certain group in France na talagang they are an expert. They have the expertise as far as grading of coffee is concerned. Sultan Kudarat Robusta coffee. It has all the notes, and it has a vanilla note.
Sultan Kudarat.
They are the best. And right now, Sultan Kudarat is the biggest producer of coffee. They planted 29,000 hectares na in Sultan Kudarat.
Wow.
So, subukan mo yung Sultan Kudarat. I'll also link you to, tawag nito, to Rich Watanabe. Rich Watanabe, siyang ng coffee
And cacao.
festival every year. And doon namin nakita na nakatanggap ng award yung Sultan
Sultan
Kudarat.
Kudarat.
2 award.
Wow.
Hakot.
So, kunin mo rin yung award, ilagay mo sa brochure.
Yes.
The coffee that garnered this award.
Sa Coffee Festival.
Then, 6,000 per bottle is cheap.
Yes. Baka maging 10,000 pa. Kamusta po yung production natin, sir? Gaano kadami po yung nagagawa natin, nabibenta natin sa isang buwan?
As of now, we can sell around 1,000 bottles, 500 to 1,000 bottles a month.
A month.
Aman.
And then, but we're still starting because we're very aggressive with events. So, yung mga fair, we also have online orders. So far, that's where we're at. And then, we can produce around 5,000 to 10,000 a month.
5,000.
To
So,
10,000. It depends
So,
on the
handcrafted yan, ano?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi mahirap yan ilagay sa filling machine. Hindi kasi yung bote niya eh.
Kailangan i-custom pa.
Custom. So,
Kailangan
yes.
pa i-custom.
Pati yung stickering should be handmade kasi hindi rin sa kaya ng machine lagyan ng sticker.
Oh.
So, lahat sa...
May tao para may
para
nakatoka.
Maglagay ng sticker.
So, we really kind of like put our heart into doing this bottle kasi like after mo rin inumin yung bote, pwede mo siyang lagyan ng lamp, ng ilaw, and then magre-reflect siya ng mga waves dito. So, it's like an art. It's
Nice.
like what our marketing is, whenever you buy a bottle of Sula, you'll buy a piece of the Philippines with you. You'll bring a piece of the Philippines with
To
you.
be honest with you, it looks like a decanter. Pwede mo
Can
rin,
be also,
Pwede
yeah.
mo rin gawin decanter yan.
Yeah.
Di ba?
Some people actually use it as a vase, as a display, as a water bottle.
Table display.
Pero ito, alam mo, sa mga asawang galit sa asawa nila, pwede rin itong baseball bat.
Lagi na lang na.
Pwede rin itong baseball bat, yan mo.
Doon mas maganda siya. Matigas-tigas.
Kawawa naman yung mga asawa pag tinamaan yan.
So, si Sula po nasa mga restaurant, mga bar na po ba siya? Or
Actually, we are available in some bars in Poblacion and in Boracay. We've started promoting in Boracay and then Cebu. And then we're starting na rin with supermarkets soon.
so pwede po ba natin banggitin kung saan mga pangalan ng bars?
I think we have one we're launching one in Discovery, Movenpick. We're also doing I think in Manila House, we've done a whole set of cocktails there. And then we're also doing one in I think that's another hotel in Cebu. Sorry, I'm not very familiar because that's a sales. We have a distributor.
Pang-hotel
So,
talaga
direct selling kayo.
We have a distributor kasi.
Ah.
Kasi we cannot, I mean, when there's a lot of orders, ang daming may accounting pa kami, meron pa kaming delivery. So we're more focused on the branding and scaling up since we're more of export. So the distributors are the one handling our sales. So sila yung may kausap ng bars, restaurants, and also hotels.
So, you only have one distributor for the entire country.
We have one main distributor in Metro Manila, and then one in Cebu, 2 in Cebu, 1 in Boracay, and then we're having one in Puerto Princesa. So per province yung distributors namin.
5.
Okay, good. Maganda yung produkto. I really admire the product.
Thank you.
Alam mo naman, mga liqueur, very popular yan sa Europe, very popular yan sa US.
Mga pang-foreigners. Tama nga talaga na nasa hotel or bars, si Sula. Sula po na Sula o Sula?
Sula.
Sula.
Yeah, Sula. Yeah.
Bago po tayo dito sa negosyo, ano ginagawa natin before?
I actually used to own a marketing agency. So, and I also did a little bit of e-commerce. Nagbenta rin ako ng face shield noon. Nagbenta rin ng bike during pandemic. So, tried a little bit of e-commerce, and then it came to a point where you'll get tired of importing. Kasi parang, why are you importing if we can produce something here?
When we can do it.
We can do it, and then it's something na we can export. You'll help the country pa din at the same time.
Try to invite our viewers and listeners before we read the comments.
Tangkilikin.
Tangkilikin natin yung Sula.
Okay, so hi everyone. I'd like to invite you to try Sula. So we're an all-natural liqueur here in the Philippines. So we have coconut, chocolate, and coffee. So we are here to actually help you appreciate drinking alcohol. So here you can try different flavors from different parts of the Philippines. So if you want to experience Philippines, buy a bottle of this and just put an ice on it and you'll get transported back to the islands of the Philippines. Thank you.
Ano pong bestseller sa tatlo?
Coconut.
The coconut.
Yeah.
Gata.
Gata.
Because that's healthy. Imagine mo, pag ininom mo yan, kasama na doon yung virgin coconut oil.
Exactly. Actually, there's actually separation there. So makikita mo talaga na it's all natural without any additive kasi yung oil niya would be very apparent.
Okay.
Yan ang sinasabi ko sa'yo. Pag ininom mo yan,
Healthy.
kasama na yung
Virgin coconut oil.
virgin coconut oil.
Coconut oil.
Which is very healthy. Anyway,
Ang mga comments, ihahatid na, babasahin na ni Andres Bonifacio Jr.
Yes! Good morning, Gong Butch and Binibining Joanna! Galing kay Erlin the Bachelor, kay Burbis Tondo, Liberata Martin Bautista, JBM Tia, Luan Chari Macabani, Annalisa Paulino, Dominic Acapulco, Redmond Panga Palmea, Hasmin Badyo, Irish Bautista, Monet Ortiz, Ella Jundunan, Josephine Palayar, and Nimpa Monica Hernandez. Sabi ni Job Jane Hernandez, yung panderegla hindi ko pa natitikman, mukhang masarap. Ganda naman ng lagayan nila. Ito yung sa Sula. Lagayan pa lang mukhang mamahali na. Gagaling po talaga ng mga Pinoy, dami pong naggagawa. Irene Cervantes, proud dapat tayo sa sariling produkto ng Pinoy, tangkilikin ng gawang Pinoy. Nakakabilib si Kong Butch Aresa Pichay, ang galing mag-advise at mag-compute kung saan makakamura and at the same time, good quality pa rin. Beverly marunong sumipsip yun Beverly Barrera, ang galing naman ng mga bote, pwedeng pan-display after maubos. O, di ba? Pwedeng araw, ilaw-ilaw. Justin Pekiro, mukhang masarap itong alak na ito. May mga flavor na. Liberata Martin Bautista, ang gaganda ng mga bote at ang design. Wow! Ayan, ako si Nanay Libay, mapapainom na. Gina Sanchez, dami talagang matututunan kay Kong Butch. Maraming alam na sineshare sa mga negosyante. Raymundo Castillon, wow! Ang ganda ng mga product, ang ganda pa ng lagayan. Perfect! Na pang regalo, lace na lang ang kulang, mukhang pang duty free na. Sunny Artoge, coffee liqueur, pag inom mo, hindi mo alam kung magigising ka o matutulog ka. Iba ito. Available na ba ito online?
Ayan. Saan po pwedeng mabili ang ating mga produkto?
You can buy it in our website, drinksula.com.
Ayan. Okay, mamaya i-announce po natin ulit. Ipa-flash natin, ha? Loremi Bagona, ang galing. Ang dami talagang natutulungan ng Pro Pinoy. More power po sa inyo. Sana marami pang ma-feature na mga produkto at negosyanteng Pinoy. Ezekiel de Belen, magaling ang product nila. Pang bar na bar ang datingan. Back to Studio 2, Kong Butch and Binibining Joanna.
Diba? Pero sa website pa lang po talaga.
Yes, in our website. We also have one in Lazada.
Oh, Lazada. Andun po yung tatlong yan talaga.
Yes.
So, ayan, sa mga gusto po na matikman ang Sula Liquor, pwede na, order na online.
Sinong chemist nyo? Ikaw?
No. We have a partner chemist.
You have a
We
partner
hired a
chemist.
partner
Okay.
chemist. Yeah.
Ilan taon po siya bago na perfect? Maski yung lalagyan? Or dumaan po ba ng taon?
No, actually, the bottle from the design, it took us 2 months, 3 months. Pero in China, for them to do it, it took mga 3 to 4 months, which is supposed to be 1 month dahil nahirapan sila to make the bottle. But the product itself, it took us like around like a year or so, yeah, to perfect it.
Kailangan talaga year.
Okay. Siyempre, may mga magtatanong na magkano kayang puhunan nila, di ba?
Opo, dahil maraming magtatanong dyan kung magkano ang puhunan.
Huwag mo munang sabihin
Yes.
kasi may tatanungin tayo.
Hulaan mo ang kapital ko, Andres Bonifacio Jr.
Yes! From more than 1,100 viewers this Monday morning, ang ating lucky caller ay manggagaling from Tandansora, Quezon City, Irene Cervantes. Hello, Irene! Ako, natawagan ka na rin sa wakas.
Hello po.
Ayan, Irene! Ako, gising na gising. Lasing na ba o gising pa?
Gising na gising.
Ayan, gising na gising. Okay, hulaan mo na kung magkano ang kapital na ginamit nila Sir Vernon sa pagsisimula ng kanilang Sula Spirits.
Sana tama. 500K to 1M.
Ay, isa lang! Isa lang! Isa lang!
Isa lang. 1M na lang po.
Oh, 1 million pesos! Joanna, itanong mo na.
Sir Vernon, magkano po ang naging kapital?
Pangsimula.
Simula po
It's actually 1 million.
Uy! Nako! Nakakuha yung 2,200! Mamaya ha, Irene, kukunin ni Atty. Lavarienza ang iyong numero para ipasa sa iyo sa iyong digital cash. Okay?
Congratulations,
Digital.
Irene.
Congratulations!
Umiinom ka ba, Irene?
Po.
Pwede bang alak na lang ibayad kayo, Irene?
Pero,
Aba, ang galing!
Isang bote lang yon.
Nako, following nga ang talagang ano to, lagi itong nagko-comment to kung Sir Kong.
Kaya anyayahan mo yung mga viewers at listeners natin. Na magyaya pa ng mga kaibigan para nang sa ganon, kagaya kay Erin, 2,200. Oh.
yes. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Irene! Ayayahan mo yung iba pa nating mga ka-pro netizen na manghula dito at manood dito sa Pro Pinoy!
Thank you po. Kaya wag po kayong absent tuwing Pro Pinoy. Manood lang po tayo mula simula hanggang wakas. Marami po tayong matututunan.
Congratulations, Irene. Congratulations.
Okay, bukas, balik tayo sa 200 pesos dito sa Hulaan Mo ang Kapital Ko. Back to Studio 2, Kong Butch and Binibining Joanna.
Nipis na naman ulit. Manipis na naman ulit. Matagal-tagal bago umabot ng 2,000. Pero congratulations, Irene.
Diba?
Ayan.
Talagang dalawa yung number na inano niya, no? 500 to 1 million. Nung sinabi ni Andres, isa lang. O, di isa nga, 1 million. Parang nagbigay ng tip eh.
Isa lang, edi 1 million. Okay. Ayan, so sir, may mga partners tayo dito. Pwede po nating batiin.
Oh yes,
Pasalamatan.
my business partner actually is in Italy right now. So he's having some meetings there. So Mark Rivera also. So yeah, and also one of our partners, attorney Sir Tessa.
Paano niyo po sila na-meet?
Mark is actually my best friend ever since like a decade ago. So nag-meet kami nung mga college pa lang kami. And attorney is one of our friend who believed in our vision also. So, yeah.
So, nag-decide na lang po kayo one time na magnegosyo tayo.
Yes.
At alak. At liquor.
Yes. Yeah.
Ayan, baka sa pamilya po may babatiin.
My mom, Marlene Carandang. Hi.
Mga tauhan.
Our staff, hello. In our office in Makati. Yam, Sir Nes, and everyone there in the office.
So Makati po tayo based.
Yes, in Makati.
Kumusta po yung naging takbo ng National Food Fair?
Actually, it was really good. So, a lot of people really appreciate the product. So, they were actually surprised na may ganito palang flavors na alak that we can offer. And there are a lot of interested, mostly balikbayans. And then there's also a lot of people from the DTI who wants to help us export in different countries. This is great.
So bukod sa DTI, may mga tumulong na pong ahensya.
Yes, but we also have a lot of direct export na who are reaching out to us now. So hopefully we'll be able to export very soon.
Ang daming mga artista na nag-try ng sula.
Yes, we're very aggressive with our marketing. So our marketing is liquid to lips. So lagi kami nasa events, nagpapatasting. So we've partnered with Bench Fashion Week, we've partnered with Lifestyle Asia, Mega Magazine, and other media. So with their events.
So the connections na build. Pag kinuha kayo for event, nasa magkano?
Actually, we are launching our event segment kasi we're a liquor brand. Hindi talaga kami nag-events.
Okay.
But because of the demand, we created an events company which is Spirits by Sula. So that's for weddings, that's for debut and parties. So it ranges from 35,000 to 100 or more. Depends on the packs.
Yan?
I think 35,000 is around 30 to 50 packs.
30 to 50 packs. Okay. Maraming salamat, Sir Vernon.
Thank you.
Mahalagang payo na lang po na pwede nating maibigay sa mga nais ding magtagumpay sa negosyo.
I think what I can recommend to everyone is when you're doing something, don't do it for the money. Be the best at what you're doing. Kasi I remember our staff was asking me, nung dinesign mo ba yung bottle, were you thinking na ma-awardan ka? Because we just got awarded in Good Design Awards. I was like, no, I just really wanted a product that I'd be proud of and the Philippines would be proud of. And then when you do your best and when you're the best in what you're doing, everything else will just follow. I mean, do it scared because it humbles you that it's not by your own might or your own power, but it's also God. But do it for the country, know your why. And I think everything will just fall down into the right place. So yeah.
May mga future plans pa po ba?
Yes, we're launching a new line hopefully next year. And then, hopefully our kababayans in the US and Europe, hopefully they'll be able to support us when we do export.
Ayan. Maraming salamat muli, Sir Vernon.
Thank you.
Thank you po. Ayan. Naway nakapaghatid kaalaman at inspirasyon ng kwentong hatid ng Sula Spirits nila Vernon Carandang. Bukas, tuloy-tuloy pa rin tayo sa pagpapakilala ng mga naiibang stories of nego success. Ako pong muli si Joanna Lunang, inyong kabalitaan sa mga pinakabagong pwede ninyong pagkakitaan. Have a safe Monday morning, Barangay Radyo 1.
Ako naman si Congressman Boots Pichay. Di kami titigil sa pagsuyod sa buong mundo ng mga kwentong kapupulutan ninyo ng inspirasyon, tips at teknik sa pagnenegosyo. Lagi ninyo kaming samahan, Lunes hanggang Biyernes from 9 to 10:30 in the morning, exclusive sa Radyo 1. Dito, Pinoy ang angat. Dito, Pinoy ang sikat dahil tayong lahat ay Pro-Pinoy! Congrats!
May buhay, Pinoy, ito na